Performing eye budding. To perform this budding technique, you will need the following: budding knife, grafting tape or any available plastic tie, rootstock, and another rootstock with a healthy bud stick. Identify the active growth part of the plant. This is usually found around the middle part of the stem, where the green and brown bark meets. Select a healthy budstick from one of the rootstock. Cut the bud and remove from the rootstock. In the other rootstock, make an eye-shaped slit around the active growth part. Scrape the bark open. And place the budstick into the slit. Secure the budstick and place using the bark flaps. Tie the union. You can wrap the bud with a single layer of plastic to avoid water from coming in contact with the union. Cut the upper part of the rootstock. Remove the tie when the bud starts to swell.